In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as semiotics. Semiotics is the study of signs, symbols, and signals. Listeners and audience, today I'm going to teach you the difference between referent and icon. What is referent and what is icon? Listeners and audience, referent refers to a thing which is in actual, original, and text form. On the other hand, whenever we are talking about an icon, icon is actually the visual representation of a thing. It refers to the picture, image, photo, or a copy of someone or something. Listeners and audience, let me provide first example of a referent. For example, you see this cup. This cup is in my hand. It is in the original form. So that's why I call it a referent. Another example is, take the example of this leaf. This leaf you see in original form. It is in my hand. It is in actual, original and text form. So that's why I call it referent. On the other hand, whenever we are talking about icon is the visual representation of someone or something. It refers to the image, photo, a picture, or a copy of someone or something. Take the example of this icon, this cup. So this is the image or the picture or the copy of the cup. It is not in its original form, however, it represents the cup. It is the visual representation of the cup. See the example of this leaf. This leaf is the example of icon. Why? Because it is an image or a copy or a photo of what? Of the leaf.